Hello everybody. Well, today is September the 19th, 2016, and it's a Monday. And today I will be doing a little video for you guys. And this video will be an unboxing and unpackaging. Like I said I would do on my little description. Alright, y'all. Well, without further ado, let's see what are in these mysterious packages. First one will be this blind box of mystery minis of Batman versus Superman Funko. Boink! Alright, y'all. Well, I shall pause you guys for a minute. And in that box, we got a black bag. And I guess all these mystery boxes, if you guys ever got one, always comes in a little bag like this. So, let me see if I can tell what's in it by feeling around, shall we? I think that's the head. A head, and then the hands. I don't feel no wait, I feel an ear. Might be Batman. Might be a Batman. Do we have any Batmans? You know what, y'all? I think it's Batman. From the Batman vs. Superman movie. So let's see if I'm right. And, like I said, just by filling the bag, it was the Dark Knight. Batman. This was the Batman when he was having his dreams, know what I'm saying? With his goggles, his trench coat. You know, when Superman captures him or whatever, Superman comes down from somewhere and he goes whoosh. And he comes up to Batman, unmasks him, whoosh, and it ends up being Bruce Wayne. Yeah. This is his little nightmare dress attire. Pretty dope, though. Pretty dope. I'm not wearing a hockey mask. Alright, y'all. Well, that was my mini unboxing. Let's get into the Pokemon XY Breakthrough. Yeah. I am definitely a Pokemon fan, so I am excited to see who I captured. Alright, in every Pokemon package, there is, sorry about that, a code card. That's the code card. If you guys got the code from that little snippet, then it's yours. It is for the Pokemon.com/trading card game online. Alright, so if you wanted that code, if you saw what the code was, then y'all got it. If you need the code, I will put it down in the description below. Or comments below. Yeah. Well, anyways, let's see who we got, shall we? First up, Pokeball. No, we didn't get to Pokeball. But we flip it, and it's a Starmie. Hiya! I remember him from the classic Pokemon season. Season 1. Know what I'm saying? Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Alright, Starmie. Second. Boink. We have a trainer card. It's an item card. And it is the Buddy Buddy Rescue. New. Alright. Sounds good to me. Next up we got Who's That Pokemon? We have Kirlia. Oh damn, I remember that one. Hey, there's Mr. Mime back there. We got a Starmie. Cute. Probably her homies. Alright. We got you. Boink. Next, we have a Bronzong. It evolves from Bronzor. Yep. Cool. Next. Ooh, it's a holographic. Look at the card shiny. Little shiny. We got a Snover. Snover, y'all. He's like, what's up, y'all? Just by these trees. Trying to camouflage. Yeah. So, pretty dope. HP is 80. Cool. Got a holographic. Next, we have a Cubone. I remember Cubone. Cubone! Boom, 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 boom. He always had that bone with him, too. He always made me cry. Alright, we got a Cubone, another classic. Love it. Next. Sandshrew! Another classic. I remember him. Dope. Sandshrew. Next, we have a Flabébé. Flabébé? I think that's how you say it. Flabébé. Some type of Pokemon card. Looks dope. It's like a flower, huh? Yeah. Dope. Looks like Dragon Ball Z up there in the air. Whoosh. Doop doop. Bam. Fennekin. Alright, that's another starter Pokemon for the XY series. Yeah, man. Fire type. Fennekin. And last but not least, Starly. Bird Pokemon. Yeah. So there you have it, y'all. We got some good captures. Put them in my capture area. And like I said, if you wanted that Pokemon code... code for the trading card game online, just let me know and I will put it down for you guys in the comments below. Let me know. Do you play? You will. Alright, Batman, settle down now. Alright, y'all, well, that was me. That was it for my video. And until next time, I will see you again when I have gotten another mystery mini and some more Pokemon captures for you guys to see. Till next time, this is Charlie signing out. Peace.